Welcome! This is a creamy, healthy chia pudding for breakfast. It's easy to prep, packed with fiber, low in calories, and keeps you full until lunch.
Come, let's make creamy chia pudding.
Let's start with a quick prep the night before. Fruit is an optional topping. If you're using frozen fruit, place the amount you want in a small bowl the night before. Cover it and let it thaw in the fridge overnight so it will be ready in the morning. Add 30 grams of chia seeds into the serving bowl. Then pour in 2/3 cups of your preferred milk. I'm using homemade unsweetened non-dairy milk. If you're on a budget, you can also do 1/3 cup milk and 1/3 cup water. Stir the chia seeds into the liquid so they are fully hydrated. Then let it sit for 10 minutes. In this 10 minutes, the chia seeds will absorb the liquid into itself. After 10 minutes, this is the consistency of the pudding. Give it a good stir. Then add another 1/3 cup of milk or water and stir it until a uniform and creamy consistency like this. Cover the bowl and let it sit in the fridge overnight so the chia seeds can continue soaking in the liquid. The next morning, or after at least an hour in the fridge, let's take a look at the chia pudding. This is the consistency of the chia pudding. The texture may vary slightly depending on the type of milk you used, but the seeds will have absorbed the liquid and thickened into a gel-like texture. Add a few splashes of milk, mixing as you go until you reach your desired pudding consistency. This consistency is good for me. Let's go to toppings. They are optional, and you can add anything that you like. These are the frozen berries that were thawed in the fridge overnight. Let's add them. And I will also add some fresh pomegranate seeds. Drizzle a little bit of honey for sweetness. And there you have it. A high-fiber, nutritious, delicious, creamy chia pudding for breakfast.
Here are some topping ideas.
Fresh figs, fresh kiwi, defrosted frozen mango, and pomegranate.
And that's it. I hope you give this a try. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.